So, if you're like me, you probably own an older car that has headlights that look like this. And also, if you're like me, you've probably looked on the internet, namely YouTube, to see if you can find some low-cost / no-cost solutions to trying to restore this. Well, today, I'm going to have a look at 3 things that may or may not work as shown in those videos. So, step 1 is obviously clean the lens. And as you can tell, this is pretty icky. I'm going to go with a no-name glass cleaner that's ammonia based and paper towel. Now there's been a few videos out there that I've seen that say, hey, that's all it takes. I don't know, those are some pretty deep scratches and it's pretty faded, so I don't think so. Make sure it's on. And we'll spray it directly into the cloth. Now the sun is behind me, and all I'm relying on is the drying effect of the ammonia and hopefully the paper towel. So, nice generous amount, and let's give it a wipe. Okay, well that looks fine. And a fair amount of dirt is showing up on here. However, as you can tell, the cloudiness is still there. So we'll just a little bit more of a wipe there. Try and wipe as much as we possibly can off. And literally just give it a few minutes. It's warm enough out where the ambient air should dry off any residual moisture, and yeah, not really a whole lot of improvement. So we'll give it one more quick wipe with the dry one and see what's left. So feels pretty yeah, I'm not impressed. So Windex, especially on this bad of a headlight, not gonna work. So we'll ready up some more paper towel and we will move to the first product that is supposed to be a good low cost, no cost, WD-40. I've seen so many videos on this saying, ooh, okay. We'll go very generous. And here we go. Well, it looks impressive. You better actually get up in there and get some real elbow grease going. But the real problem is all it is just the oil sitting on the glass that's causing this. So it looks fine and impressive. And yeah, it might get rid of some of the yellowing because it's already cleared right up. But you got some minor bubbling going on here as well. And there you have it. And as you can see, there's not really a whole lot left on here. So we'll try and dry off most of it that we can, because we don't really want that excess stuff on there. We just want it clean. Yeah. So I'm assuming the upside is, since it's an oil-based product, all that fine dirt, bug guts as you're driving down the road during the summer, spring, and fall months, I have no idea what this will be like in the wintertime. And yeah, I'm really rubbing it. So I want as much of that excess off as possible. So, did it brighten it up? Sure it did. How long will it last? I don't think it will last for very long. Now, let's go to the driver's side and try something else out. So here we are on the driver's side, and I've already taken a little bit of time and used Windex paper towel to clean off the lens. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, but it's not going to last. For this side, I'm using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Now this is not a product endorsement. You can use any kind of compound out there for rubbing, 3M, Meguiar's, and I'm pretty sure there's many others. This has actually collected dust for a while, so ultra safe formula, easily removes oxidation, and I can't speak today. Swirl marks, water spots, scratches. Okay. No doubt I'm probably supposed to use like a lint-free cloth or microfiber or something like that. But, that costs money. And this stuff is anywhere from 8 to 20 bucks a bottle depending where you live. So, let's give this stuff a shot. So, I don't know how much to really use. So, I'll just put... Has this got like a safety seal in it? Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, so take the lid off, check for a seal. Of course there is, because, you know, that's how everything in this world works. I hate peeling this stuff off the milk bottles too. So add it to the throwaway collection. Give it a good shake. One last shake to open it up. Ooh, already starting to try and ooze out. So we'll give it like about that much and see if that does anything. Close the lid so it doesn't dry out and make a mess everywhere. And a little dab here, a little dab there. And because I got a bad back, we'll try standing and we'll just hand rub it in as best we can, see what we got going on here. And the reason why I saved the Meguiar's for the driver's side is A, do a comparison between the WD-40 and it over the course of, let's call it 3 months. So like maybe January I'll come back and have a look and we'll see what we got going on in the headlight department. All I plan on doing is, you know, if they get a little, you know, a little bit of road dirt and crap on it, take it to a service station and use a squeegee, give it a wipe. Yeah, I have no idea if this is working, so it's not really wiping off like I was hoping it would. And the color really hasn't changed much, so it's a little hard to get decent pressure on that, so... And of course the lighting made the headlights probably look a lot better than they actually are. Probably was supposed to do more swirl marks than these strokes that I'm doing. So we'll take a little more paper towel and let's see if that did anything noteworthy. Wow, definitely looks a lot clearer. Ooh, I don't know if the squeak is good or bad, but okay. Maybe that's just the normal paper towel bark, but definitely squeaky clean. Yeah, that would drive some people nuts, worse than running a fork across your teeth or cutting into the plate the wrong way. But that definitely looks a lot better than the passenger side. Wow. Yeah, there's still some, you know, the UV protectant that they put on over top. But I would definitely say there's nothing on that headlight at all for it to squeak like that. Wow. So, like I said, maybe about January we'll make another video and hopefully it's not too cold out. And after, like I said, go to the gas station, give it a wipe, give it a squeegee. For the next 90 days, we'll see how these headlights hold up. The WD-40 side and the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound side. Now, like I said, WD-40, I'm pretty sure you could use any kind of penetrating oil, maybe even as far as 3-in-1, because it's an oil. That's what's doing it all. The petroleum product on the plastic is what's doing the cleaning. This is actually cutting into the plastic and removing some of this dirt and 17-year-old imperfections off this 2003 Chevy Cavalier. So, give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. And like I said, I'm shooting for 3 months, so January 2021. Let's make a video and see what it looks like then. So, if you like what you saw today, by all means, consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, leave comments in the section below. Have you done this and you got better results you want to share with me? By all means, that's what the comment section is for. Did I just waste your time over these last, 5, 6, maybe even 7 minutes? By all means, thumbs down. Leave some constructive criticism in the section below. And join me the next time I make a video. Until then, thanks for watching and take care.